Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we've been decoding Mamwich, changing to Manwich. We got our residue as evidence for the change. We got our extractions, to run through all the categories, found the University of New Mexico as a quantum network suspect. We then converted our extractions into numerology numbers using a numerology chart, 1 through 9. Got that to run through all the categories, connected the University of New Mexico to Manwich through gematria. And using gematria, we connected the University of New Mexico and Manwich to the other 14 for a total of 15 effects that we've connected so far. We then converted our extractions to binary, got that through the categories, and now we're on the alphabetic order. So the only thing that happened in MN is an M change to an N, therefore your extractions are MN. I'm not going through those again. And we used this chart to change M to 13 and N to 14. So MN then becomes 1314. And we've got this to run through stock market finance, genetics, medical, chemical, atomic numbers, and then artificial intelligence, atomic numbers, then artificial intelligence, right, and then robotics. And now we're on machinery, which is a viewer requested category, but we're not getting everything. So we're checking it, and it's there. So we start with 1-3 coming forward, and 1-3 coming forward is code 13, manufacturing, machinery, and equipment. Manufacturing, machinery, and equipment installed in a manufacturing facility. Machinery and equipment means tangible personal property which is installed in a manufacturing facility and claimed on the owner's federal income tax as either 5-year property or 7-year property, as those terms are defined in Section 168E of the Internal Revenue Code of 1986 or any subsequent corresponding Internal Revenue Code of the United States, as from time to time amended, and the predominant use of which is for manufacturing, processing, or fabricating, for research and development, including experimental or laboratory research and development, design or engineering directly related to manufacturing for the significant servicing, overhauling, or rebuilding of machinery and equipment for industrial use, or the significant overhauling or rebuilding of other products on a factory basis, for measuring or testing, or for metal finishing, or used in the production of motion pictures, videos, and sound recordings. So this is code 13, manufacturing and machinery and equipment. All right, if we move on from that, we have 131. And 131 is Internal Business Machines Corp. Versus United States 298 US 131. So here's a court case. International Business Machines Corp. So you got a court case here. Section 3 of the Clayton Act declares it unlawful for any person engaged in commerce to lease machinery, whether patented or unpatented, on the condition that the leasee shall not use supplies or other commodities of the lessor's competitor, where the effect of the condition may be to lessen competition substantially or tend to create a monopoly. So I don't think we got to go any farther into that. And I did reduce these. There's more, but so I wasn't overwhelmed. I just found something significant. And what was most significant to me, I guess. So if we move on from that, let's see, that was 131. So now you got 314. How about ABE 314, 314L, Ag Power and Machines and Lab. Analysis and design of off-road vehicles and field machines, including engines, transmissions, traction, hitches, and hydraulic systems, as well as equipment for liquid and dry material applications. This is from South Dakota State University. Looks like a course. Well, you've also got 314E hydraulic excavator, Michigan Cat. You've also got, here's your 314 Cat construction equipment. Transchemical Ltd versus China National Machinery 161F3D 314. Summary: adopting the relevant part of the district court's opinion in RE arbitration between Transchemical Ltd, China National Machine, IMP XP Corp 978F SUPP 266. So here's another court case. All right, I think we're going to move on to 1314, the whole thing going forward. And you got quite a bit of stuff here, and I didn't know what to. You got 764-1314 Dyson canteen and office inventory. Not sure what that. Here's one 831-462-1314 Garland Precision Machinery Incorporated. It's part of a phone number. Diode board A17, and there's your 1314. This is pinball parts. Maureen Johnson side alignment conveyor. I'm not seeing conveyor, excuse me. I'm not seeing my number. You got Wave Machines, SoundCloud. Wave Machines, Liverpool, 1314 followers. I don't know if that's important. That was all the way on page 6. You got Machinery, 1314 on eBay. Batco, 1314 grain handling storage. EDS Machinery. There's Batco again. Batco augers. So you got quite a bit of machinery here. MTA 1314 power machinery. 1314 commentaries on the law of master and servant. And this is part of a book. So got quite a few things here going on. Parliamentary Debates, Volume 312. Here's 1314 Machinery. So Parliamentary Debates. The Mining Journal, Railway and Commercial Gazette. There's 1314. That's another book. So you got a bunch of books here that could be calculated. Soil Conservation, more books. There's 1314. Machinery. I swore I wasn't going to do this, but here we are doing it. Attico 1314 straight SS Ultra spatula with black plastic. That's not machinery. Forget that. Cutex lug motor belt for home sewing machines. Microfilming and storage of records. 1314. Sims Pump Valve Company Incorporated, 1314 Park Avenue, is part of an address. Cardio equipment there. You also have Artesia NM, New Mexico maybe. Cisco equipment, part of a phone number. So lab line lab rotator. That's interesting. Here's something for a lab. And 1314. for sale. Stop a whole section of lab line. Shop a wide selection of lab line lab rotator 1314s on Lab X. So, got quite a few things. We just got to stop and move on. And that gets you through going forward. So now we're coming back. How about 41? Article 41, prime movers and machinery. So you got a bunch of machinery stuff here. And there is more, but for time's sake, we're going to move on. 413 then. Justia U.S. Law, 2020 Maryland Statutes Business Regulation, Title 17, Miscellaneous State Business Licenses. And you get down here and you got 413, keeping machines without license. So a person may not keep a free play pinball machine for public use in the state unless the person has a pinball machine license that covers that free play pinball machine. Wow. You have to have a license to have a pinball machine. Are you kidding me? So, anyway, this deals with a law and pinball machines. That could be relevant. But you also have Miley PW413 washing machine, external heating. Hydraulic, and there's 413. You've also got hydraulic lift machinery and equipment mover with dual forks. So you got some machinery here. Machinery page 413. And there's your 413 there, by the way. Successful farming. So this deals with farming equipment. So probably lots of stuff they could look at there. But we're going to move on to the whole thing coming back. 4131 for time's sake here. And this was another one. I found a lot of stuff. Titan Machinery Incorporated, part of a phone number. And they have lots of machinery. East County Rentals. Not seeing my number necessarily. Undergraduate certificate in electrical power systems degree, electrical machinery lab. There's your 4131. All parts EP-4131-000 wiring kit for telemod. There's your 4131. Integral machine service and repair. Not seeing my number there. Reed Machinery and Transportation Incorporated, part of a phone number. And there's Titan Machinery again. Sabamelt 4131, Saba Adhesives. Sabamelt 4131 is primarily used in automatic bonding machines in the mattress industry for bonding flexible foam components to each other. So, and there's more, but I think that's good enough. That gets you through going forwards and backwards in machinery. So we will do military next, followed by laboratories, followed by research groups, research groups, is I guess what it should be, and followed by random hits. And then we will decide from there what we're going to do next. Part of me wants to combine these letters and numbers and randomly scramble them up and see what's there and what isn't there. And part of me wants to move on to South America again. So we will do one or the other or both. So anyway, for now, guys, thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down when appropriate. Thanks for all your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks for watching, guys. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.